With Slurpee.
Snoop doop whoop doop doop. You just wait. Sit down. Okay. Snoop, sit down.
How much are these?
Okay. Okay, so 2 packs of Pall Mall Smooth King. And oh yeah. Oh, you got 2 of them? I'll get one of these on the right,
Hold on, sir.
the $20 one, and then one of these, 2 of the $10 ones.
This one, 110.
2 of those, yeah.
How many?
1, 2, yeah. And then that one, yeah. Perfecto. $7 for smokes now.
Maybe he's thirsty or tired. Maybe he wants to.
He's dying. Usually he's in the pond by now over there, but I took the other way. But usually he's swimming. He's a dogfish.
Same with my dogs. My dog chases after the ducks in the pond.
Oh yeah, so does he. He killed a duck before.
Oh really?
By accident he pawed it and it just died.
My dog saw this bird on like the little sand hills. He went chasing after it and kind of like made it in shock to like pretend it's dead.
Wow.
And so my mom just picked it up while I was holding both the dogs and went further in to go drop it so he could go get them.
Wow, that's crazy.
But he didn't.
You got a little bag too I can have, please? Or no? You got one?
He doesn't know what he's doing. He's just a big, friendly boy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
One.